Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today I will be sharing with you guys how I make my delicious French toast. I start off by grabbing my eggs and then adding a little bit of the skin of one lime. It really depends on how much lime you want to taste. With the amount I added, it wasn't too much. I also squeezed some in there as well to get a refreshing taste. I then spray some oil on my pan, dip my bread in, and then just lay them on top. I just put them in at 400 for around 2 minutes, quick and easy, and they should become golden brown like this. And then I just sprinkle some sugar on top and some syrup. And there you have it. You can really top it with anything you'd like, whipped cream, fruit. Thank you guys so much for watching.